Welcome to another DIY village vlog. Today we are making chili flakes the village way. So what we're gonna be using to crush our dried chilies, it is that piece of wood which we use to crush our chilies, and anything that you want to turn into powder, you can crush it inside there. You can crush peanuts, you can crush anything that you want to make it turn into powder. You can crush it inside there. As you can see, it is all white, so we're busy crushing some peanuts inside there before. But today we're going to be crushing dried chilies. But before we get to the dried chilies, I would like to show you the process of how we dry them. So first I go to my garden and I pick them out straight from the garden while they're still red and fresh. So I'll be picking them out and we'll take them back and I'll show you the whole process of how we do it the village way. All right, I think that's about enough. So we're gonna head back and I'm going to start the process of cutting the freshly picked red chilies straight from my garden. Village life, village life. So this is the method I use. I remove the stems from the chilies, and after removing the stems, we are going to start to cut them into halves. So the reason I do that is it helps for them to dry a lot quicker. So that's why I cut them into half. But you can just dry them as they are without having to cut them. But that's the method I prefer. I will recommend that you wear hand gloves and you cover your face with a mask, because I'm telling you, it does get hectic. They do burn. Yeah, just that I think I'm used to it. So yeah, I was not feeling anything. But yeah, it takes a strong one to take it as it is. So yeah, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start the process of drying them up. So as you can see, the sun is out, hot, 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 hot. So yeah, it was the best day for them to start drying up. So I'm gonna leave them here for maybe 3 days. Every morning I'll take them out when the sun is out, then I'll take them back in the evening, because they need sunlight to be able to dry up a lot quicker. You can use other methods, but here in the village we just use natural stuff. So you can dry them anyhow you want to, but I prefer the sun. So after they have been dried up, we start the process of crushing them. So I will be crushing them using this village method, using this piece of wood, which you can put them inside there and you start crushing them with that piece of wood, which has been custom made to do that process. So yeah, you can crush anything inside there. You can crush your peanuts, anything that you want to crush and turn it into powder. We use that kind of wood material that we have made specifically to crush things. Village method, DIY. So as you can see, it is really working, just that it needs strength. It is tiring. I think it took me 20 minutes to process the whole tray. So as you can see, we start the chilies from fresh to dry, and then we go the process of crushing them, and there we go. Voila! There is the crushed chili flakes, turned proper into some hot, extra hot powder, which you can enjoy with any meal, while you're cooking, you can just spicing it up and it's gonna be flavored properly. So yeah, there we go. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, it's quite simple, just that it needs a bit of strength, but yeah, village way, DIY style. That's how we do it. Ready to be packaged. That's the entire process. That's how we do it here in the village. As you can see, it's looking proper. So now I'm just gonna transfer it into something where we can hold it and put it in the kitchen and anyone can go ahead and use it. You can use it to when you're cooking in your meals. You can use it while the food is already made and cooked. Then you can just enjoy it. Depending on how you prefer your chili flakes or your chili powder or your spices added on your food, you can enjoy it anyhow. So yeah, it's looking proper as you can see. Yum. Proper stuff, I tell you. I have to say, a job well done. Another one. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know down below. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the family. Don't forget to share the video. Plenty of content to watch there on the channel. We have a playlist. You can enjoy it over the weekend with the entire family. You can share with your friends. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much to the community that I have for always coming through and watch my videos. It means a lot. Your support is valued. Thank you so much, everybody. Look at it. Proper. Yeah. There we go. That's our final product. Chilli Flakes. Proper. Good. Thank you so much. See you on the next one. We drop a video every Saturday. Enjoy.